everyone, welcome to my channel today. I'm going to talk about how to increase milk supply. Milk production may require a change in lifestyle for someone, but don't worry, I will talk about all the tips and tricks that can give you an instant result. All the item I'm going to list here is something that I've tried personally and got a very good result. I will also share a lactation dessert recipe from my mom's cookbook. So, if you don't want to miss it, stay tuned till the end. So, the first thing that I want to talk about is having a balanced diet. Our diet determines the quality as well as the quantity of our milk. Also, it's really important to have at least 8 ounces of water per day. Breastfeeding mom should take extra 500 calories based on their current weight and try to include more protein and fat-rich food. I have added a website of a company called Lactation Lab. This company actually works on improving the quality of breast milk by examining frozen sample of your breast milk that moms have to ship first. They will measure all the necessary nutrients including carbs, protein and fat content present in the milk, and based on the result offered a milk test kit that tell the mom about their milk quality and also recommendation required. If you are interested, do check the website. Breastfeeding mom should start the day with a healthy breakfast as it is the most important meal of the day. Oatmeal contains a good amount of iron and thus help to promote milk supply. I ate oatmeal religiously for 4+ months in the morning with some good source of fats, and it gives me an excellent result. Now if you don't like the sweet version of it, you can also try dalia made out of oats and lentils. Coming to pulses, consume masoor dal, known as red lentils, is a good source of protein. Just like pulses, there are excellent herbs in our kitchen that help in milk supply. I will list down some of the herbs rich in galactogic that increases lactation in mother. So the first thing in this list is methi, also known as fenugreek. There are many supplements and capsules present in the market. You can easily buy it, but I personally prefer to have it in real form. Other herbs in this list are fennel seed, cumin seed and raw papaya. So the fourth thing I want to talk about is purely natural. Milk supply is totally work on supply and demand process. Our body is designed to produce milk. There is no rocket science behind it. So feed your baby 8 to 12 times per day for about the first month. Frequent feeding helps to stimulate your milk production. Also, feed fully on each side. Now, if you are using a breast pump, you can try powder pumping. It really gives a boost to your milk supply. I am showing you a picture to demonstrate how to do powder pumping. These are the few things that you can incorporate in your life. If then also you are not satisfied with your supply, you can try some of the supplements that I am going to show you now. Before going into the video, do check my lactation dessert recipe. I have put the link right here. So the first supplement in this list is prenatal vitamin. This is something that I was taking before in my pregnancy, and I continued it to ensure that I get enough vitamins and minerals throughout my breastfeeding journey. It also contains some water-soluble minerals that help increase milk supply. Second supplement I am going to talk about is Shatavari. This holds a strong position in Ayurvedic science. Shatavari comes from the root of asparagus plant. It helps to balance hormones and menstrual cycle. During pregnancy, our estrogen level rises and kind of deplete post-pregnancy, which could lead to a hormonal imbalance. Having this herb regulate menstrual cycle. This is also known as for boosting fertility, so it is great for women who are struggling to conceive. Now coming to the third supplement, this is Lactiva Granules, which ensures natural lactation. This you can buy in any pharmacy in India. The main ingredient here is Satauri and Safed Jeera. I'm having it now also. It really makes a difference. You will feel an instant urge to feed your baby. The best way to have it is with warm milk. Just add 2 spoons of it and your body will react to it in 1 to 2 days. The other supplement right here is Moringa. Now don't confuse with the name. It is nothing but drumstick tree leaves. Along with all of curable properties that Moringa tree has, it also fights malnutrition in infants and breastfeeding mothers. It's a complete source of plant protein with all 9 essential amino acids and exceptionally high level of antioxidant. The next supplement in this list is sprouted form of alfalfa. Now, if you are not familiar with this, I would like to inform you that it is used to feed livestock, mainly cows, buffaloes, to boost milk production. It has a lot of health benefit and a good percentage of vitamins and minerals that cover our daily requirements. The last supplement in my list is this bottle of Lady Leech by Milky Mama. It's an amazing product made up of some nutrient-packed leaf and seed that help to stimulate mammary gland. It makes a significant difference. I highly recommend it. So this is all about nutrients related to milk supply. Do let me know how does this work for you and please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.